What's up, guys? I'm checking out more Mariah Carey, and this one is a live performance of "We Belong Together" slash "Fly Like a Bird" at the Grammys. Okay, requested by Michael Bonds. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one, or I haven't seen this performance before. I want to say I heard "Fly Like a Bird" and maybe "We Belong Together." I don't know. Those sound like just such, typical generic song titles that I feel like I should have heard them. Let me see. Fly like a bird. Nope. What's the other one? We belong together. Yeah, I heard we belong together. Maybe I heard fly like a bird, but it just hasn't gone up yet. No. Okay. So yeah, I think that being said, we just go ahead, hop straight into this one and check it out.
Imagined I was sitting here beside myself, 'cause I didn't know you, but I didn't know me, and I thought I knew everything I never found, baby. The feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear your voice, or have you touch and kiss your lips, 'cause I don't have a choice, or what I wouldn't give to have you lying by my side right here, 'cause baby, when you left I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back, baby, please, 'cause we belong together. Who else am I gonna leave knowing times get rough?
Like the background singers, they always have that.
On the phone till the sun comes up. Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody better. Oh, baby, baby, we belong together, baby. When you left, I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back, baby, please, 'cause we belong together. Who am I gonna lean on when times get rough? Who's gonna talk to me till the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody better. Oh, baby, baby, we belong together. Yes, we do. I know it is. Oh, yes.
Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Trust him.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above where no more
Okay, this is like a
hurt
gospel
is
song?
gonna
Okay.
be, free of all atrocities and
Makes
suffering,
sense.
because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high. Don't let the world wake me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes in life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
He said he'll never forsake you, nor leave you alone. Trust him.
I need you right now, Lord. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up to the sky. With God's love, you'll survive. Take to the sky.
Wow. Okay. Just took the Grammys to church real quick. Hey, that was fire, man. Definitely enjoyed that. Did not see that coming either. Uh, Fly Like a Bird was definitely the highlight of this performance, in my opinion. Just the energy, the passion. I mean, she had the same energy and passion in We Belong Together, but I don't know. Fly Like a Bird was just on another level. But I really enjoyed that. That was cool. I have to check out the actual audio for that one because I don't think I had heard it until now. But yeah, Mariah Carey, We Belong Together slash Fly Like a Bird live at the Grammys. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.